Welcome back to Bazaar Morning Call. Now, since the equity markets are very quiet, we thought let's take a quick look at what's happening in the world of commodities. Manisha Gupta is joining in. Manisha, commodities have been under pressure since the US 10-year yield has risen to new highs. But tell us, what's the one commodity you're looking at today?
Thank you for that, Sonia. Well, I'm looking at metal as a sector, and we have put behind 3 weeks of constant declines for most of these metals. And this week hasn't started better, with the Treasury yields in US at around 16-month highs. We also are looking at the Chinese numbers not coming in as per expectations. Every data point that you saw come out of July in China was on the weaker side. And then the markets were anticipating a 15 basis point of a rate cut, but we saw 10, and the 5-year loan rate was not even touched. And then you have weak China imports in sense of metals. The real estate sector demand also has been on the weaker side. For many of the metals right now, we are actually trading on a discount because there is no on-ground demand coming in, and the inventories have been rising as well. I'll take the case of copper, where the inventories have gained up by 76% since 12th of July. Of course, when you look at a longer period average, we still are on the lower side. But from the lows, we have seen inventories really jump up. Same is the case with nickel, where inventories have gained up by 30% in the last couple of months. Zinc inventories have gained up by 50% in 1 month itself. When you look at the zinc production as well, the numbers clearly are on the bearish side here. We have seen zinc inventories, first of all, trade at a 17-month highs there, and the demand has not been so great from the steel or the galvanizing industry, and that has been weighing on. Also, when you look at the demand that has been on the weaker side, the markets are looking at prices that have declined by nearly 24% from 2023 highs, and we're not too far away from the 3-year lows that the zinc prices saw in the month of May itself at below $2,200 a ton as well. The markets are looking at the international lead and zinc inventory numbers, and that tells you that the global refined production is up by 2.3% on a year-on-year basis. And when you look at the period from January to May, we have seen surplus of around 267,000 tons there. Also, when you look at the prices itself, in this week, we've seen the zinc prices decline by a percentage point, and they're down 4% in the month of August so far.
All right, thanks a lot for that. So, big crack in commodity prices globally.